don't know what the difference is between a smart warehouse and a stupid warehouse. Cables.
Yeah, that and some other stuff as well. You know, the smartest warehouses in the world use Haltian and Wirepas IoT, zero cables.
Stupid warehouses have around 5 kilometers of cable each. That's the size of 500 of these local football fields. Here, all these
Sensors instead of cables is not only smarter, it's also easier and faster. No need to stop the operations, just business as usual.
Yeah. My son Ville has eaten 2 of these for breakfast since he was 4.